Welcome back to Mini Brothers. So there's a video I've been meaning to do, and now you're gonna get it. And I feel like everybody that has a mini YouTube channel needs to do one of these videos, just so we know what's good and what's not so good about these cars. So there are two videos I'm gonna do in the next couple days. This is the first. 5 things I hate about my Mini Cooper. 5 things I hate about my Mini Cooper. Let's start. So one of the things I hate about the Mini Cooper is the visibility out the front windshield. And if you're at a stoplight, sometimes you can't actually see the light. And here in the US, it's not as bad as some places in Europe where the light is actually on this side of the intersection. At least for us, most of the time it's on the other side of the intersection. But oftentimes you're at a light and, I have to sort of bend down and sort of look up at the light to get a view of the light at that angle. And that's one thing that I wish they would fix. Another thing I hate about my Mini Cooper is the smaller Nav Screen. So I bought my car used, so I did not have the opportunity to select one of the larger screens. I think if I were going to buy a new one, I would probably get the larger screen with the nav. My car also is a 2016, so it didn't come with CarPlay. I have added CarPlay, which is great, but I still wish I had the larger screen. One of the things that I hate about the Mini Cooper is my Mini Cooper, at least. So I do have the John Cooper Works Pro exhaust, and one of the things I hate about it is that it closes every time you turn off the car. Now I am thinking about ways, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a software engineer, and I'm thinking about ways to solve that. I don't necessarily want to open it each time. I may also want to have a solution that I can quickly open it without double clicking on that button and waiting for it. So working on some stuff there, but that is one of the things I hate about my Mini Cooper. This exhaust closes every time I turn off the ignition, and then I gotta reopen it again. Now of course you can unplug it. You can unplug it from the back. I like to have the option to either have it open or have it closed. One of the things I hate is keeping this car clean. Like, it's a really hard car to keep clean. Now it is clean now. Did get a car wash this morning, but it's a really challenging car to keep clean. Part of it is that I do drive the car pretty often and pretty far, but it is challenging to keep it clean. If you have any tips on how I can keep the car clean, please comment below. So one of the things I hate about my Mini Cooper is the torque steer. Now, granted, I do have the car tuned, so it has a little more power than normal, but I do a lot of driving, and the torque steer gets a little out of control sometimes. So that is one of the things I wish didn't happen. And like I said in a previous video, I am planning on getting a LSD for this car, which hopefully will eliminate some of that first gear, make it a little more drivable. Well, there you have it. The 5 things I hate about my Mini Cooper. Stay tuned. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. We will be doing a follow-up video of this, which is the 5 things I love about my Mini Cooper. That's coming up next. We're also taking a little trip to the UK coming up next week. So hopefully I can connect up with some YouTubers over in the UK and maybe see some of the minis over there. I would love to check out some other minis, see what you guys are doing in the UK with your minis. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.